how to add someone to find my iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add someone to find my iPhone. So first thing first, just head over to your Find My iPhone application from your application. And once inside here, as you can see, I've opened and make sure you have successfully logged into your account as well. Now, just head over to this people option from the bottom left corner. So just tap on that and you can see there is an option that is start sharing location. So you can actually use this application to start sharing your location, that is your live location, to any of the person that you would like to share with. So now just press on this button that is start sharing location and simply search in for the person to whom you want to share your location with. So let's say I want to search with this particular person. You must make sure that the person you are choosing to add must have a Find My iPhone account as well. So unless you do that, you cannot actually add them. So if the person that you are going to add has an Find My iPhone account with that particular number, then you can simply click on send and they will be notified about you adding them to your location or sharing your location. And once they accept, you will successfully started sharing your location with that particular person just like that, and they will be added to your Find My iPhone. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.